Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Coshx equals to e to the power of s plus e to the power of negative s over number 2. So I will put this one go in here. Next, e to the power of s multiplied by e to the power of s and e to the power of negative s. This one we have number 1. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s over s. dv we have this one. So now I will show you the technique how to do this integration. So I will put number 2 go outside. So the integration of e to the power of 2s, we have e to the power of 2s over number 2. Number 1 that is about s. So we have v equals to this one. Next, we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have 1 over 2, and we have the integration 1 over 2 e to the power of 2s over s. S and s in here we have number 1. So I will concentrate this integration in here. So I will put number 2 on numerator and denominator. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to 2ds. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. 2ds we change by du. The integration of this one, we have exponential integral of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about 2s. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 exponential integral of 2s. Number 1 we have s. And then I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.